Budgeting apps are essential tools for effectively managing personal finances. These apps automate expense tracking, spending categorization, and send reminders, allowing users to focus on financial goals. Effective budgeting apps help users develop better spending habits, predict future expenses, and avoid financial surprises. Ease of use, automation, and customization are key features when selecting budgeting software. Budgeting software provides reports and insights to help users identify spending patterns and improve financial habits. Security, cross-platform compatibility, and reasonable cost are essential considerations for budgeting software. Budgeting apps offer varied features to cater to different user needs. Mint excels in automatic tracking and credit score monitoring for everyday users. Advanced software like Personal Capital provides comprehensive financial management and investment planning,